Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's day 14 of Off the Board, and this is my inspiration today. It's a beautiful picture of watercolour splotches that someone's then drawn flowers over the top. Well, that's how I think they've done it, and that's what I plan to do today. Fingers crossed it works because it's mixed media and I'm still very much got my oil plates on when it comes to mixed media, but we'll see how we go. So the cardstock I'm using today is not normal cardstock. It is the Vicky Bouton mixed media paper. So because I don't know how wet I'm going to get it, and I'm hoping that that will help me as a beginner make it a little bit easier when it comes to the watercolouring. I'm using a mixture of Stampin' Up! Watercolour pencils. I just sort of picked colours that go with the embellishments I'm using. So I've had this packet for a while. I've used bits and pieces from it. It's Vicky Bouton print shop, and I've also got the embellishment packet as well. So they're the embellishments I plan on using. So the colours I've picked in my watercolour pencils sort of are in that vein. You've got like the coral colours, the blues. I've got two different shades of green, the yellow, and a purple. So because there's purple flowers. So we will see what happens. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. That went in a totally different direction to what I anticipated, but I really like how it came out. All I can see when I look over here though is the forms of the watercolor splotches. They're not as organic as I was hoping they would turn out, so that's something I need to look at doing differently, I think. It could have been because I colored in blocks instead of perhaps using some other way to watercolor, like perhaps using what am I trying to say? Using a source of the watercolor and just coloring without it being on the paper first, if that makes sense. Yeah, because it does look really blocky. But I really like the decision I made to put in the lines. Oh, words are hard. Put in the lines for the petals and the leaves, because I think that makes a difference. They were just looking too plain, and I really liked now the whimsy look of it, and it matches the embellishments I've used because they are quite whimsy as well. So to me it doesn't look like two separate things. They sort of meld together because the flowers I've used and the colors I've used, they sort of blend. Some people might look at it and go, well, that's two separate pages, like that's one element there and then this is the rest of the page, which you could. I mean, it can look like that. So but the more I look at it, the more it sort of blends. But then I could look at it tomorrow and go, no, that's two separate pages, and I hate it. Anyway, yeah, so that is my page. If you've liked it, hit that thumbs up for me. Make sure you're checking the playlist below for everyone who is playing along with this series, Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. It's really fun. It's getting me out of my comfort zone. It's making me yeah, experiment heaps and get lots of scrapping done, which is great. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.